Ride super smooth, tagihan service super shocked. Be ready to blink when the bill arrives. Air suspension on the BMW X7 feels like magic on pavement, a cushioned cloud for passengers. But that luxury is backed by compressors, valves, bellows sensors, and complex electronics. When those parts fail, your serene ride turns into a wallet emergency. This opener promises real invoices, hard numbers, and a buyer checklist to avoid surprises. Shock invoice moment. We will show a real-world invoice where compressor replacement, bellow assemblies, valve, block, and dealer labor push the repair total into four-figure territory or far beyond. The camera zooms into the line items and you see parts, costs, shipping, dealer programming hours, calibration fees, warranty, reinspection, and tax. This close-up reveals why a soft ride becomes a heavy financial hit. Owners rarely budget for, and why transparency matters. Why so expensive? Quick explainer components are specialized and high-tech bespoke compressors. Air springs and bellow assemblies cost far more than coils. Labor is intensive, requiring skilled technicians, calibrated diagnostics, dealer-only tools and software, electronic-level sensors, valve blocks, and leak detection routines need precise programming and bleeding sequences. Not just a spring swap, this is integrated hardware-software work that requires factory-grade troubleshooting. Common X7 air suspension failures list air leaks in bellows, compressor overheating, valve block failures, sensor-level errors, and leveling drift after minor impacts combine to create recurring visits. Some failures hide until the system fatigues or after a pothole strike. Symptoms include sagging, clunking audible compressor runs, inconsistent ride height, and warning lights. This checklist helps owners spot signs early, choose repair urgency, and decide when to seek dealer diagnostics. Hidden costs after purchase. Insurance alignment and parts choices add up. OEM bellow replacements often cost multiples of aftermarket units. Insurers can increase premiums for cars with expensive bespoke components. Alignment and calibration fees, repeat after repairs, and downtime costs. Owners lost mobility, scheduling headaches, and rental expenses. The true cost of ownership includes parts rarity, wait times, towing costs, and the emotional tax of surprise bills. Alternatives and mitigation strategies. If you drive frequently on rough roads, choose coil, spring trims, avoid air, or negotiate non-air options at purchase. Buy extended warranty plans that cover compressors and valve blocks, perform pre-purchase compressor health and leak tests, and budget for diagnostic screenings. Learn safe temporary disable methods and keep a trusted shop for proper repairs. These steps reduce the chance of catastrophic surprise costs. Verdict controversial, and CTA air suspension delivers peerless comfort and highway composure, yet carries material risk for drivers who face rough surfaces frequently. The economics favor urban buyers and highway commuters who prize luxury but tilt against those on poor roads. Type: love the float if you accept potential repair bills, or avoid the bills if you prefer predictable ownership. Explain your stance in the comments and add your repair stories.